How can your fleet benefit from video telematics? Find out what it is, how it works, and why it matters. First, let's talk about telematics. Telematics is technology that uses GPS and sensors to track vehicle data in real time. Having visibility of vehicle location, speed and performance helps fleets plan safer, smarter and more efficient operations. Video telematics uses dash cams and telematics data together. Seeing both the video of an event and the driving details behind it helps fleets understand incidents more clearly. So what's the difference between telematics and video telematics? Telematics is all about data. It tracks different metrics to give you insights for managing your fleet smarter. You can track vehicle location, speed and routes in real time, monitor fuel consumption and engine performance for efficiency, and analyze driver behaviour to improve safety. Video telematics takes things a step further. It combines that same data with real video from dash cams, so you don't just see what happened, you understand why. With this context, you can improve driver training, optimize routes to avoid known risks, and disprove false claims. So how does video telematics work? Step 1. Cameras capture footage. Dash cams and auxiliary cams installed in the vehicle record what's happening on the road and inside the cabin. Step 2. Telematics collects data. At the same time, sensors and GPS gather information like speed, location, braking, and engine status. Step 3. Data and video are synced. The system links the footage with telematics data so you get a visual and technical description of what happened and the conditions when it happened. Step 4. Events are recorded and stored. Whenever an event occurs, the system saves video clips alongside telematics data for later review. Step 5. Managers review incidents. Fleet managers access a dashboard where they can see both the video and telematics data side by side to understand the cause. Step 6. Video telematics insights drive action. This combined view helps improve driver coaching, resolve insurance claims faster, and boost overall fleet safety. What are the benefits of video telematics? Number 1. Compliance. Video telematics helps you stay compliant with working hours regulations. By providing time-stamped video evidence of driving hours, rest breaks, and tachograph events, video telematics simplifies audits and supports accurate reporting. Number 2. Visibility. Managers gain real-time visibility with live camera feeds linked to GPS data. You can see where each vehicle is, what traffic conditions look like, and how drivers are handling the road, all from one dashboard. Number 3. Driver safety. Video telematics increases safety by flagging up dangerous behaviour and encouraging drivers to correct it. Footage of real-world scenarios also helps to coach drivers more effectively by spotting recurring risks. Number 4. Maintenance. By combining video with telematics data, the system highlights patterns like frequent harsh braking or overloading that can cause wear and tear. This helps schedule maintenance proactively, minimize downtime, and extend vehicle life. Compliance, visibility, driver safety, and maintenance. Video telematics gives you the complete picture. So, which video telematics system should you install? Introducing the Webfleet dashcams with AI-powered machine vision and risk detection. Meet the Cam Lite and Cam Pro. Both Webfleet dashcams leverage state-of-the-art machine vision and AI-driven monitoring to provide sharper insights into driver behaviour and potential risks. Upon detecting dangerous activities in-cab, like driver fatigue, Webfleet dashcams provide audio alerts to help drivers correct actions instantly. Webfleet dashcams also monitor conditions outside the cab to alert drivers of hazards like tailgating, lane departure, or time to collision. The improved visibility and ahead-of-time notifications from Webfleet dashcams help businesses protect their drivers, avoid accidents, and reduce costs. Webfleet also offers a suite of auxiliary cameras to cover a vehicle's sides, rear, trailer interior, and a driver's face more closely. They allow you to protect vehicles, assets, and cargo with strategic placements, monitor all angles to prevent theft, and capture critical events, as well as providing additional evidence to support litigations and exonerate drivers. Paired with the dashcams, the Webfleet Video Telematics platform provides fleet managers with a simple visual way to review incidents. By bringing video, data, and context together in one place, it removes guesswork, speeds up incident resolution, and supports ongoing coaching to promote safer driving habits. So, ready to drive safety, security, and compliance? Try Webfleet Video today.